All right, what's up, everybody? We got some new smoke bombs. They are from Phantom Fireworks. There are neon smoke balls. Don't know if they really are neon or not. They look pretty dope though on the outside. So let's take this blue one. There's let's see, 6 of them in a package. I bought them at Menards here at where I live, and they were $3 or $2.99. So let's see if it don't run away on me. Okay, ready? Get that one out of the way. Yeah, $3. There we go. Let's check it out. Pretty bright. Spinning out of control. Oh, white. That's pretty dope. Oh, it smells so good. Yep. So it's the Phantom Fireworks neon smoke balls. Pretty good. I definitely buy these again. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next one.